guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my BoxyCharm unboxing for December. I think this is the 4th box I've gotten from them, and I have a couple more. And then I'm not sure if I'll renew. I just have so much makeup stuff currently, but we shall see. Alright, so there's my product card. I'll look at that again at the end. But it looks like we have some lashes. Glamnetic. How cool. So this adheres with a magnetic liner, which I've never tried, but I've heard about. So that's pretty interesting. I've only had fake lashes once when someone did my makeup for my wedding rehearsal or whatever. The reception, that's the word. And I like how they look. I just feel like, I don't know, that it looks weird because I normally don't look like that. I don't know. I'm weird about makeup. So here's the liquid magnetic liner that you attach it with. So I guess then they're reusable? Yeah, to reuse. You just clean it by scraping off the dried liner. That's really cool. Next we have MAC's Matte Lipstick. And the color is Marrakesh. I probably butchered that. I know I've had the liquid lipstick. I'm not sure if I've had just regular lipstick, but that's a really pretty color. I do wear darker shades like that, so that's awesome. Ooh, this is a makeup sponge by Makeup Eraser. Those things are awesome. And this, it says, is the first ever machine washable makeup sponge. I do have a beauty blender that I use a lot, and it's actually starting to fall apart. It's the only one I've ever had, so it's had tons of uses. So let's take a look at this. I haven't tried this brand, but if it's from Makeup Eraser, I would imagine it's pretty good. So this is plastic, it's slightly flexible. And then here's the sponge. I like how it's angled, really soft. Definitely use that. And then you could just twist it on once you get it lined up and throw it in the washing machine. That's so cool. Man Eater by Tarte. Black mascara. I do love Tarte. This is a full-size mascara. I don't think I've tried this one. Cute packaging though. I feel like this is probably my favorite box so far. Like I said, I haven't had too many from them. This is, I think, my 4th. But so far, I really like it. Then I got a palette. Seems to be a theme. I pretty much always get palettes. So this one is Iconic London. And that's what that looks like. Nice neutral colors. Blaze Chaser Face Palette. Multi-dimensional luminosity. 6 velvety face powders. Very cute. Good box this month. Let's take a look at the card. So that palette retails for $55. The lashes and the magnetic liner is $63. Tarte mascara $23, MAC lipstick is $19, and the Makeup Eraser sponge little washing kit is $18. So that's a really good value. Very happy with this month's box. If you guys would like to join, I will put my promo code below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.